Everyone is Tristan. How are you? So it is Get the Book Wednesday with TJInspires. Yes, this one is available, the College Success Game Plan. So I know a lot of high school graduations are happening. People are starting to go to high school or definitely planning to go to college. I would highly recommend you go ahead and get this book, the College Success Game Plan. You go online right now to www.tjinspires.com. Amazon, go ahead and get the College Success Game Plan. You won't be disappointed. A guide to succeeding and surviving in college. Make sure you go online right now to www.tjinspires.com. It's Get the Book Wednesday.
I'd give this pizza about an 8.5 out of 10. So if you guys are ever in downtown Chi-Town, definitely check this place out. Kind of a billion.